In the world of sales, why is it that you feel stuck as a salesperson, and why does it matter? This is an important question. I'm Sylvan Bell. I'm coming to you live from Honolulu, Oahu on a perfect day to talk about sales and a perfect day to talk about you. So here's the thing. You may be a fantastic salesperson. You may be really good at closing deals, but you may have weak time management skills. And you only have so much time that you can optimize. There's only so many appointments in a day that you could take. There's only so much work that you can get done before you're like, my buyers don't have time to meet with me, or I don't have time to meet with my buyers. And there are plenty of classes you could take for time management skill. I'm not gonna rehash them. Just go on Google and take time management, okay? And if you're like, hey Scott, I really don't wanna take a class, then here's what you do. It's gonna cost you money. You're already paying out by not doing this anyway, so it's gonna cost you money. So here's what you do. You hire an assistant. And that assistant does all the stuff for you that you're not good at and you're not good at taking care of. So like in my world, here's the thing. If I got a closer and they suck at paperwork and that person is out there making money, I would hire somebody to do the paperwork for them so they could go out and close deals and do the most profitable thing. And the same thing can happen with you. Find somebody who's gonna get paid minimum wage. Find somebody who's gonna take up the slack for the things that you don't wanna do, you don't know how to do, or you don't care to do, and help some of that time management skill. When you have somebody who's just barking at you, behind you, saying this is what you're gonna do, this is how you're gonna take care of it, some people need that. There's plenty of people who can get along without doing it, but some people, they real deal, they need somebody to coach them and tell them, hey, here's how you could be better, here's what's going on, here, you take this appointment, here, you meet with this person, here, you file this, here, you sign this, I did all the hard work for you, right? Go out and do what's highly profitable for you. Go out and do the things that are going to make you money. And if it's weak time management skill, find a way to fix that. Take a class or hire somebody. Those are like the real deal, the only two things that you could do. Take a class, hire somebody. And once you take a class and implement it, then you're good. If you take a class and it doesn't work, then option number 2 is gonna have to happen. You're gonna have to hire somebody. You're gonna have to get somebody on your team that's really gonna take care of the problems that you face so that you're gonna be okay and everything's gonna get taken care of. There you go. You got one thing to do from here, just one thing. Find the subscribe button, click on it. Every time I send out a video, you'll get an update that says Scott Bell Consultant sent another fantastic video, probably from a cool location. Today, I'm in Honolulu. We'll see you soon. Thanks for dropping by. Aloha.